Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an invoice with your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an invoice in your QuickBooks Online? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers call you and ask you for an invoice before they're going to send out payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an invoice, what you're going to do is click on this plus icon here on the top left. It says new. If you don't have that button for some reason, don't worry. Just click on the menu button right here. Once you click on the menu, you want to scroll down to sales and then click on customers. Once you click on customers, you want to click on all sales here, and then you'll create invoice. Again, if you don't have that, you can click on new, and then right here under customers, click on invoice. It's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, so once you do that, you're ready to go ahead and set up your invoice. So first you want to go ahead and choose a customer. So choose this drop-down menu, and you can go ahead and scroll through and choose one of the customers that you already imported into your QuickBooks. If not, you can click on add new and then add a new customer. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, here you want to go ahead and enter in their email address that you're going to send the invoice to. Here you can go ahead and add tags into your invoice. That way you can search through invoices much easier in the future. So for example, of this one, I'm going to put in YouTube marketing. Okay. And then maybe this customer is from California. So I'll just put California. And that way later I can easily search through all of my invoices for my invoices that are from California. Okay. Next, you want to go ahead and add a product. So click right here, and then you're going to go ahead and add a product. So I have a product right here that I've already added. If you don't have a product, you can easily click right here, add new, and just follow the steps. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this product. Here you can go ahead and change the terms, net 30, or you can click down and do net 15, net 60, or due on receipt. I like to do due on receipt. Here you can go ahead and set the due date. So today we're going to go ahead and invoice on October 23rd. And let's just say that it's going to be due on November 23rd. If you accidentally added a product, you can go ahead and just click on the trash can next to the product name, and it's going to delete that product. Down here, message on invoice. This is up to you. So for me, I generally try to fill this out. That way the customer knows why they're receiving this. So maybe I'll say this was for the bank promo October 2024. Okay. Down here, you can go ahead and add attachments if that's going to be relevant for your invoice. So let me go ahead and scroll through this. This looks pretty good to me. Once you're ready to go ahead and send out your invoice, you're going to go ahead and click right down here, either save or save and send. For me, I'm just going to save it. Okay. Now my invoice that we created has been saved. So if you run an in-person business, you can go ahead and print it right down here on this button and click on print. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to show your invoice. So you can go ahead and download this as a PDF, or you can go ahead and print it out if you're in a physical location. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.